Well, what's going on, everybody? Hey, we got an exciting video today. Probably the next handful of videos that I'm going to be doing are going to be a lot of kind of jumbled mess. I've been doing a lot of the work on the house, and a lot of what you're about to see is us just flying through the work and my wife grabbing the camera and trying to kind of catch little bits here and there of it. So we're going to start off with showing you our garage door install. Then I'm going to show you all of the doors that we installed ourselves, and I'm trying kind of explain what I was doing there and how I worked through that. And then the next video we're going to be doing our cabinets and our floors and stuff. So let's get into the garage door and also all the install of our doors, because we're flying through this house. All right, here we go. So I called Greg over at A Better Overhead Door at 584-3667. And he came over, showed me some nice doors, and we finally selected one. It took us 2 weeks to get it ordered in, and he showed up with his son, and they professionally installed it. The install went very quickly. The garage door is amazing. And so if you guys are looking for a garage door company, A Better Overhead Door is the one you want to call. Thanks, Greg, for all your help getting this garage door sealed up.
Tell me what you're doing.
Well, we are installing our interior doors, guys. So we finally got the doors delivered, and now I am struggling to shim all these doors in. So I just spend some time shimming doors. There's a level right there. Nice. Come out some. Another night, gonna head toward midnight. But that's what we do. Work into the night. So most people just, snap these things off or cut them, and I just found a better way. I'm gonna use my Roto Zip. Right here, our sheetrock hung over our door frame a little bit, so I'm using my rotary tool to kind of straighten up the sheetrock so that the door frame will fit in here nice and even. Alright, Mom, clean that up. Let me get my...
There's a bigger room. Where is the room?
Because what is the first step we're going to do? Tighten the hinges.
Yes, tighten the hinges.
Tighten the hinges. Okay. So these things are really cool, guys. I don't know if you've ever installed a door, but inside the door, they put this little black thing. And this black thing comes with this other black thing screwed into it. It's basically to keep the door and the frame together in one piece. Don't just toss this piece out. This is what makes it real handy to make sure your door is actually level, and I'll show you how. Come here. Doorknob and door connector. Okay, just like that. Okay, you open the door handle, you close the door handle. make sure that it matches, falls, and it's in. So if that doesn't fit, you know you're not shimmed in properly, and you know you're not gonna line it up. But that right there, that's cool.
Want me to go inside before you put it up?
No, he's got it.
Okay, let's find out which one of these drills are level. Which one of these drill sides is level. There. That one's perfect. The only problem is, even if this is level, we're gonna have a big area here that we're gonna have to shim
Big old gap.
the door closed.
Ooh, maybe not.
Well, we will have to shim it some. I was asking my mom if you think the contractors and everything takes this long to hang a door. She said no, it doesn't. That's why half of them don't work. I like that clearance. I like that clearance. Then we're just gonna shim that and make that nice and strong through there. That'll work.
Like we didn't have to shim that side at all.
Nope, that's why I'm saying if they're, as long as they're level, they should go pretty good, you know?
All right,
I like it.
the door's done.
I like it. Okay, only 99 bottles of beer on the wall left. Yep, that's good. All right, moving on. Well, after we spent the whole day and night hanging doors and trimming them all out, the next day we were expecting to get our cabinets. So the cabinet guys show up and they get right to work. Looking back on all this footage, I realize, God, that's a lot of work. Putting in all them outlets and measuring them without even having cabinets to look at or set in place. I mean, it was a lot of guesswork, and we did actually have a couple hiccups that I had to move, like on this wall right underneath this vent hood that they're putting in. They ended up covering up that electrical outlet to my stove, and I actually had to cut that out again. Right here, we realized that they put my vent hood too low, and so they're gonna uninstall this vent hood and take it and cut some of it off because I wanted my vent hood higher so that I didn't bump my head on it. So they're gonna start uninstalling it, take it, cut it, and bring it back and reinstall it later. Luckily for me, Linda was home this day and we were able to kind of go over some things and figure out where certain things should be and how they should be. And so with Linda and I teaming up, we always get to figure out what we need done and we make it happen. Now that they're installing the new Ventahood that they cut shorter, you can tell drastically that it's much taller so that I won't bump my head on it when I'm going to reach over to stir a pot. And this is way better than the original height, which I'm going to show you next to one another right here. Now onto the island. This had its own set of problems. As you can see, we continue to move this right side cabinet because the plumbers installed my piping and water lines way too close, only giving us 3 feet between our stove and our island. And I'm going to do everything I can to push that cabinet as close to the edge of that pipe without showing that pipe out in the walkway. And we make it happen. All right, guys, well, there's the video of us putting our doors in. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna be doing our floors, and they are a lot of work. So with Donovan, with Team Tate Outdoors, we'll catch you on the next video. We'll see you. All right, guys, well, we just finished the last little bit of the sand, the desert sand color. I think it's gonna work out perfect.